Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another tech tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Deliverance 2 not responding issue on your PC or laptop. If your game keeps freezing, crashing or getting stuck on the loading screen, then this video help you solve the problem easily. Watch complete video and follow every step.